Welcome, this is Mark Tucker for Pod Tips, the friendly place to learn more about print on demand. In this video, I'll show you how to make color product mocks using Printify's built-in mockups. When you create custom mockups, there's usually multiple layers that go into that final mockup image. There's the background, there's the layer that has the t-shirt, the blank t-shirt on it, and those could be multiple colors, and you'll want to swap out and make a mock-up for each of the different possible colors of the shirt that you're going to send to your store. And then there's the design that goes on top of the t-shirt. There could be other layers that could be props that could be either underneath or on top of the shirt, but those three layers are the primary layers. Now, to get the mock-up of the blank shirt, you can get those multiple places. You can purchase them from Etsy, you can purchase them from other places. Today, we're going to show you how to use the built-in mock-ups that are available on Printify to go ahead and create our blank color t-shirts to be used as mock-ups. So to do that, the first thing we need is a transparent PNG file. And the reason why we need to do that is the shirt needs to have something on it, and we're going to fake it out by putting a blank image on the shirt, and it's going to think that there's something there, but then when the mockups are generated by Printify, then they will be completely blank. So what I did in Canva is I created for a transparent, it doesn't really matter actually how big your print area is because there's nothing going to be visible. But typically, like I did for these other t-shirt designs from previous videos, is that there's the page dimensions are 4500 by 5100 pixels. That's going to give us a nice 300 dpi image. In this case, there's nothing on it. And when we go and do share, we're still going to do download, make sure ping or PNG, however you want to pronounce that, is selected, transparent background, and then we're going to go ahead and download that image. So that's what we've done already. And let's switch back to here. We're going to duplicate our Gildan 64,000 shirt because mockups are based on, the colors vary and the look of the shirt varies based on what type of shirt there is. So we're going to do Gildan 64,000. Going to duplicate that, edit the listing, go right into the design. We're going to delete this placeholder text and upload that transparent image. Right, so there it is. It's going to load. And ta-da, transparent PNG, 300 dpi. It thinks that there is a product there, an image on for this shirt. So we're going to save the product. That's going to take us back to our mockups. If we view all mockups, then you notice that the um, image is all gone, but we get nice blank t-shirts. And you can do this for front or for back. Some of these other ones may or may not be good for the custom mockups that we're wanting to make. Folded probably would only be something that we use if the design that we have is always above this fold. If we Otherwise, then this is the only image that customers get to see, and they don't get to ever see the whole image. So if you wanted to do kind of more of this folded thing, you might want to look at purchasing a mock-up someplace else. Now, this is all we need to do. We can come into here. We've got the different colors all available. And if you hover over this top right corner, you'll see a download link. And all you have to do is make sure that you select transparent. And you're going to do that for each of the different images. And that's going to download it to your local computer. And I have already done that and put them all into a folder. There we go. This over. So you can see we've got all the different shirts that match their Gildan 64,000 shirts that match the colors that are available. It even names the image when you download them, what the name of that color is. You can do a little bit of cleaning up here. For example, you already have them all under a folder. In my case, I named it Gildan 64,000, that they came from Printify and that they're front of the shirt. So you could remove this front comma space in front of each of these file names, so it's just the color names, but it's a good idea to have the color name for each one of those so you know which one it is. So that's all there is to it. Just use the mockups that were already part of Printify, and we download them to our computer, and we can use them in our custom mockup designs now. Thank you for watching Pod Tips, and we'll catch you next time.